When thinking about home security, many homeowners immediately picture alarm systems or surveillance cameras. While these tools are valuable, one of the most important elements of protection is often overlooked: your doors. As the main access points to your home, doors play a critical role in keeping your family safe. For Lafayette residents, installing new, modern entry doors can dramatically strengthen your home's security while also improving comfort and curb appeal. Outdated doors. A security risk: older doors, especially those made of wood or hollow materials, can deteriorate over time. Warping, cracks, and weakened frames make them easier targets for intruders. In Lafayette's humid climate, doors are especially prone to damage from moisture, which can compromise both strength and fit. Even if your door still looks functional, outdated locks and fragile frames may be putting your home at risk. Stronger materials for maximum protection. New entry doors are designed with modern materials that prioritize durability and strength. Steel doors are incredibly strong, making them resistant to forced entry. Fiberglass doors offer excellent impact resistance and can withstand Lafayette's weather conditions without warping or rotting. Solid wood doors provide both security and a timeless aesthetic, especially when reinforced with modern cores. By replacing outdated models with these secure materials, you give your home a much stronger first line of defense. Reinforced frames and hardware. Security isn't just about the door itself, it's also about the frame and hardware. New doors typically include reinforced frames that resist splitting or bending under pressure. High-quality strike plates, multi-point locking systems, and tamper-resistant hinges ensure that the door cannot be easily forced open. This combination of sturdy construction and advanced hardware provides Lafayette homeowners with a level of protection older doors simply can't match. Modern locking systems. Today's entry doors are designed to work with advanced locking technology. Homeowners can choose from options such as smart locks with keyless entry, offering both convenience and control. Deadbolts with reinforced strike plates to resist kick-ins. Multi-point locks that secure the door at several points along the frame, not just at the handle. These upgraded systems add another layer of security, making it much more difficult for unwanted visitors to gain access. Added benefits: energy efficiency and style. While security is a top priority, new door installation in Lafayette also comes with additional benefits. Energy efficiency. New doors are better insulated, helping to reduce drafts and lower utility bills. Noise reduction. Thick, well-sealed doors help block outside noise, creating a quieter home. Curb appeal. Modern designs, colors, and finishes can give your home's exterior a fresh and inviting look. These extra advantages mean that improving your home's security doesn't just make it safer, it also makes it more comfortable and attractive. Professional installation. For lasting protection, even the strongest door won't perform its best without professional installation. Expert installers ensure the frame is square, the seals are tight, and the locks function properly. This attention to detail guarantees your new door provides maximum security while also enhancing energy efficiency and durability. Final thoughts for Lafayette residents: investing in a new entry door is one of the smartest ways to improve home security. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, and reinforced frames, modern doors provide unmatched protection against intruders while withstanding the challenges of local weather. At the same time, they offer additional benefits like energy efficiency, noise reduction, and curb appeal, making them a well-rounded upgrade for any homeowner. If your current doors are outdated, damaged, or lacking modern security features, now is the perfect time to consider a professional replacement.